Welcome back. I'm glad you're here, ready to take the next step in your fitness journey. There's something special about starting your day with movement, feeling the energy of the morning, and setting the tone for growth. Today, I'm excited to share the training method that reignited my passion for lifting and helped me finally break through a stubborn plateau that held me back for months. Like many of you, I once felt overwhelmed by endless advice, complicated routines, and conflicting opinions. I was stuck doing the same sets, following the same patterns, and seeing little to no progress, which left me frustrated and unmotivated. Everything changed when I discovered pyramid training, a classic, time-tested approach that builds both strength and muscle, one set at a time, and keeps your workouts fresh and challenging. Pyramid training isn't just about lifting heavier weights, it's about building a solid foundation, improving your technique, and rediscovering the drive that first got you moving. Let's dive in and explore how pyramid training can transform your workouts, help you overcome plateaus, and unlock your true potential. Pyramid training is a structured and strategic way to progress your sets and reps during a workout, designed to help you build strength, muscle, and endurance efficiently. The core idea is to adjust both the weight you lift and the number of repetitions you perform with each set, creating a gradual and controlled challenge for your body. Imagine a pyramid shape. At the base, you start with a lighter weight and higher reps, which helps you warm up your muscles and get your body ready for heavier loads. As you move up the pyramid, you gradually increase the weight while lowering the number of reps, making each set more challenging than the last. For example, on the bench press, you might start with 12 reps using a light weight, then move to 10 reps with a slightly heavier load, then 8 reps with even more weight, and so on, finishing with your heaviest set for just 4 to 6 reps, really pushing your limits. This method not only warms you up and locks in your form, but also helps prevent injury by preparing your joints and muscles for heavier loads. Each set is a stepping stone, allowing your body to adapt gradually and safely to increasing intensity. This progressive overload is key for muscle growth and strength gains, as it challenges both your muscles and nervous system in a systematic way. The real genius of pyramid training lies in its progression. There are no sudden jumps in difficulty, just a steady, manageable increase in challenge. Pyramid training isn't random or haphazard. It's a deliberate, effective way to push yourself, track your progress, and avoid injury. It's like having a complete training system built into a single exercise, making every rep and every set count toward your goals. You get a great muscle pump, reinforce your lifting technique, and build confidence with each successful set. Plus, you maximize both safety and results, making it ideal for beginners and advanced lifters alike. That's why pyramid training is a staple for serious lifters everywhere. It's simple, effective, and gets real results. When it comes to building strength and muscle, there are 3 main pyramid training styles that form the foundation of many effective workout routines. These are known as the ascending pyramid, the descending pyramid, and the full pyramid, each with its own unique approach and benefits. The ascending pyramid is the classic method. You start with lighter weights and higher reps, then gradually increase the weight while lowering the reps with each set. This style is excellent for building strength safely, as it allows your muscles and joints to warm up before tackling your heaviest set. The descending or reverse pyramid flips the script. After a thorough warm-up, you begin with your heaviest set while you're freshest, then decrease the weight and increase the reps as you go. This method is powerful for pushing your limits, but it's best suited for experienced lifters who know how to prepare their bodies properly. Because you're lifting your maximum weight right away, a solid warm-up is absolutely essential to avoid injury and get the most out of your session. The full pyramid combines both approaches. You work your way up to your heaviest set, then descend back down, increasing reps as you lower the weight. This method is demanding, but it delivers a powerful mix of strength and muscle growth, making it ideal for big, compound lifts. Because of its intensity, the full pyramid is best reserved for your most important exercises, not every movement in your routine. Each pyramid style offers a different challenge, allowing you to customize your training to match your goals, experience level, and even your mood on a given day. Whether you're aiming to build raw strength, add muscle size, or achieve a balanced combination of both, there's a pyramid method that fits your needs. So, choose your path wisely, commit to your sets, and watch your progress climb to new heights. Pyramid training isn't just a routine, it's a mindset. With every set, you're building something lasting, not just moving weights. Whether you climb, descend, or do both, you're in control of your progress. Try it on an exercise you're stuck on and feel the difference. Let me know in the comments how pyramid training works for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.